Hi mathematicians. So today we want to solve a given equations on logarithmic equations, where we are required to apply laws in the theory of logarithms to solve equations. So here is the equation. Solve the equation log x under base 3 plus log 5 under base 3 minus 2 is equals to 0. So the first thing we are going to do is to rearrange the equation so that everything that has got log remains in one side, and then other terms that do not have log will be on the same side. So what we can do is to take this to that side, and whenever a number crosses an equal sign, its sign changes. So in this case we have minus 2, it becomes 2. So we will be left with the log x under base 3 plus log 5 under base 3 is equals to 2. So because this is 0, it's the same as nothing, so minus 2 becomes plus 2. Plus 2 plus 0, we get 2. So we are happy on that one. And then the next thing is to simplify this by expressing this as a single logarithm. We have a law on addition of logarithms where bases are the same. So this law states that if we have log m under base a plus log n under base a, this is simply equivalent to log m n under base a. We can put brackets or we can leave it like that. So we simply multiply these two numbers m and n so that we will have a single logarithm in this form. So going back to our problem, we can take this to be our m and this to be our n, and then this is our a, same base 3 and 3. So we are simply multiplying x and 5, and we get log x by 5. We can put brackets under base 3. This is equals to 2. And the next thing is to simplify. This is a variable multiplied by a constant. We get a 5x. So we can get log 5x under base 3 is equals to 2. Now we have expressed this as a single logarithm. We have simplified it, we have reduced it to a single logarithm. So at this particular point now, we need to apply the theory of logarithms, which states that log n under base a, if it is equals to b, this is the same as n is equals to a to the power b. So this n remains here, and then a crosses and uplift b is its power. So we have n is equal to a to the power b. This is the exact format with this one, as we can easily compare. 5x can be compares to n, 3 compares to a, 2 compares to b. So it means that this becomes 5x is equals to 3 to the power 2. And we can simplify the right hand side. We know that 3 to the power 2 is the same as a 3 multiplying itself twice, which means 3 times 3, which is 9. So we are left with the 5x is equals to 9. We simply divide by, this is now a linear equation, to solve this, we divide both sides by 5. We get 5x over 5. The remaining with x here is equals to 9 over 5. We can reduce this to a decimal number. X is equals to 1.8. You can substitute x by 1.8 in the original equation here, and then we'll be having log 1.8 over 3 plus log 5 under base 3 minus 2. If you punch this in a calculator, you are going to have 0. So that is how you can verify if your answer is correct. Thank you. Enjoy, like, and comment.